Welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making Inari Tofu Pocket Rice. This simple and delicious dish features sweet, seasoned aburaage mixed with Japanese rice. It's super flavorful and easy to make. Use a paper towel to remove excess oil from the aburaage. Cut each piece in half. In a pot, combine mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and water. Add the aburaage, cover with a small lid, and bring to a boil over medium heat. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to soak in. Cook over medium heat until the liquid is reduced. Turn off the heat and let the aburaage cool down. Once cool, lightly squeeze out any excess liquid. Slice the aburaage into thin strips. Mix the seasoned aburaage into your cooked rice. Serve the rice in a bowl and garnish with toasted sesame seeds. I hope you enjoy this simple, flavorful Inari Pocket Rice. At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. There are many ways to enjoy Inari Tofu Pockets. These sweet and savory tofu pouches are super versatile. Inari Zushi. The classic way. Stuff them with vinegar sushi rice for a simple, delicious bite. Topping for udon and soba. Add to a warm bowl of noodles for extra flavor and texture. With mochi. Stuff them with soft, chewy mochi and simmer for a sweet and savory side. Make a batch, freeze them, and enjoy them in these different ways anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.